So in this video we will be talking about the ping command and traceroute command. So first, ping command is used to test the connection between the source and destination, and traceroute command is used to define to show us the actual path the packets are going from source to destination. And let's see first the ping command. Okay, let me show you the IP address of mine. So we need to type ifconfig to get the adapters information. So this is WLP3S0 is my Wi-Fi adapter, and it has the IP address 192.168.0.103. So now I can say ping google.com. So we need to ping the google.com, and you can see google.com does not have any IP address, and it will be resolved by our DNS server. So first ping google.com, and first thing my computer did is it received the IP address from my ISP server. We have already seen the how DNS works. In that way we have got the google.com's website's IP address is this one, and I am going to website, not a website, the computers of google.com. Okay, it says 64 bytes from this name server, and you can see ICMP sequence 1. This is the sequence, is the order of packet you are sending. This is the first packet you send, and this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth, and this is called time to leave, and time took for one packet is 24.1 milliseconds. So this time can vary within below 1 second, and it says 64 bytes received from this name server, and it has the IP address this one. And here you can see google.com ping statistics. It's like report from the ping, and 4 packets has been transmitted. You can see this is one packet, and this is one, this is one, and lastly these are the 4 packets transmitted, and we have received 4. So there is 0% loss, packet loss, and the total time is it's like 3 seconds, right? Okay, now we have some options for this ping command. You can set a time interval I to 2, and it will wait for 2 seconds for sending each packet. If I say ping -I to google.com, now first packet has been sent, and after 2 seconds second packet has been sent. You can see this delay between the time of 2 seconds, right? Because we have defined the I2. So this is one option, and another option is you can just specify number of packets you need to send. By default it will send infinitely, and if I say 5 packets, and this C stands for count. So after 5 packets I did not press the Ctrl Shift C, it has automatically stopped, because we have said that after count of 5 packets you just stop the ping. And we can see 5 packets transmitted, received, 0 packet loss. So what if I ping to a server which is not there, say nikhil.com? So of course this is not there. Okay, I don't know, there is a domain on my name. Okay, let's say, okay, we need to specify, say nikhil2.com. Okay, name or service not known. That means the DNS name for this nikhil.com or nikhil has not been found. That's why it has written name or service not found. So let's say ping 10.8.8.8, which is a private IP address range for the class A IP address, class A IP range, and this is the private IP address for the class A, and it has not been assigned to any of my computers. Let's click enter. Now since we have given, we can also give the IP address, and it says ping this IP address with the 56 bytes of data. Let's see what happens. So this ping utility keeps on trying for getting the MAC address of this 10.8.8.8, and it fails because there is no IP address, no computer with this IP address. If I press Ctrl C, you can see 24 packets has been transmitted, but 0 received. That means all these packets are lost during the transmission, because we did not get any acknowledgements. That's why 100% packet loss, and the total time is this much. And this ping command, these messages are from ICMP protocol. These are the internet control message protocols, and this protocol just sends the error messages when there is a no service or no host not found or some errors like that. So another command we are going to look is trace root. You can say trace root. It's very simple command, trace root, and say google.com. Okay, this trace root traces the path from your computer to the google.com. So I want to send, if I want to send a packet, first it will go to my gateway, which is the router. I have already shown you in the previous videos. This is my TP-Link IP address, and this is the gateway. The first thing your computer does is it will send the packet to router, default gateway, because there is this google.com's IP address does not exist on your network. That's why this computer sends to the default gateway, which is my router, and then this router sends the data to the nearest router that knows about this google.com, and this is 10.22.22.246, and these are all the middle devices which are in the path between our computer and the finally google.com computer. And you can see there are 30 hops max, and these are only 9 hops. Hops means the intermediate devices between the source and destination are called hops. So finally we have got the reply from this IP address, which is this one, google.com, and the intermediate hops are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can just say there are 8 hops. If you include the router, you can say 9 hops. Okay, that's all you need to know about this ping and trace route command. So the ping command is used to test the connectivity between you and the destination computers, and trace route traces all the path, all the devices in between your source and destination.